everyone, welcome to English Lumière. Today we are going to learn past continuous tense affirmative sentences. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verb with ing plus object. We use I, he, she, it singular with was and you, we, they plural with were. Examples: I was preparing dinner at 8 p.m. They were traveling to Delhi yesterday evening. She was talking to her mother when I called. It shows the action was in progress in the past. Practice time. Now make 2 sentences with was and 2 sentences with were. This is it for today. Keep going and growing.